playing with this toy.
You're picking up your toy?
Yeah.
What you doing? What'd you just do?
Playing with this toy.
Where are you going to put it? You going to put it away?
I'll put it down here.
And what are you going to do?
Let's put it down here.
And do what? What are you going to do? No, don't do that. Get back there. Come here, let me see you. I want you to tell me your name.
Leander.
What is it?
Leander.
How old are you?
3.
How old?
3.
Fee?
3.
And you want Mommy to get you ready for bed?
Yeah, and get the camera.
What?
And
What?
And take a picture.
We're going to take your picture?
Yes.
But you're going to get ready for bed now, right?
Yes.
Why don't you stand still?
Okay.
You're going to get ready for bed?
Yes.
What do you have to do to get ready for bed? Tell me, look at me.
My job is on.
What else?
And brush my teeth.
What else?
And wash my face and hands. And pee-pee.
Gonna wash what?
Go wash my pee-pee.
Yeah.
Put my pajamas on. And pee-pee. I'll brush my teeth. And wash my face and pee-pee. Put my pajamas on.
Then what do we do?
Take in the bed.
Sometimes you have what?
My rabbit. I get my tiger, my cat, my mouse.
Yes. What does Mommy do for you sometimes when you go to bed?
Put my pajamas on.
What does she tell you? Does she tell you anything?
No.
She doesn't read anything for you?
Yes.
What does she read?
And books and stories and tricks and viruses. And reductions and birds.
What's the name of the book?
This name, all viruses and cars and tricks and viruses and boats.
And after she reads you the story,
I go there.
then you go to sleep, right?
Yes.
So you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, get up.
Now, on the cat, I'm taking pictures.
I have been taking pictures of you. But now it's time to go into your room to get changed. And get washed, right? Mommy's waiting for you. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
So put your toy away. Let's find Mommy. Where's Mommy?
Right in there. Here.